In this quick video, I'll show you how to export as PDF in Illustrator. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. So to export as PDF, firstly we need to go to File, and then here instead of Export, we need to tap on Save As. Once you tap on it, it will ask you to choose your file name. I'll type here PDF Illustrator and then choose your file type. You can see multiple file types are here. We want to export as PDF. Select Adobe PDF from here and then tap on Save. Once you tap on it, it will show you this window. Now choose quality presets within this PDF dialog box. There are presets like high quality print and smallest file size. These presets adjust settings for optimal printing or web use. For example, high quality print maintains high resolution suitable for printing, and smallest file size reduces file size, which is ideal for web sharing but lowers your image quality. Now if you want to retain the ability to edit PDF later in Illustrator, then make sure you check Preserve Illustrator Editing Capabilities under Options. Then under Compression tab, you can manage file size. You can downsample images, which lowers their resolution, for example from 300 pixels per inch to 150 pixels per inch, while balancing image quality. If your document includes a bleed, which is extra space beyond the page edge, or requires printer's marks, then make sure these options are selected under Marks and Bleeds. Under Output, you can convert colors to specific profile, like converting from CMYK to RGB. This ensures color consistency across different devices or applications. You can explore additional tabs such as Advanced for more detailed options related to security, accessibility, or other specific needs. Once you have configured your settings, click Save to generate the PDF. Now locate to the folder where you saved your PDF and open it. There you go, I have successfully saved my PDF from Illustrator. Now if I was a big help, can you please subscribe my channel? I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.